So if you're asked to simplify, x to the power of negative 3 over 2 is equals to minus 8. Now how do you simplify this? And there's an easy way. Now my goal here is to get x to the power of 1. Now how do I do this? I will raise the entire value here to the power of its reciprocal. What I mean is that if I have x to the power of minus 3 over 2, I will raise the entire value here to the power of its reciprocal, which is minus 2 over 3. So that once they cancel out, they will give me x is raised to power 1. So I do the same to balance the equation. I do the same for the other side of the equation, which is minus 8 raised to the power of what? Minus 2 over 3. Because there's an equality sign here, so you have to do for both sides of the equation. So what happens now, you can see 3 and 3 will cancel, 2 and 2 will cancel. Minus minus is plus. So my x to the power of 1 is equals to what? Minus 8 raised to power minus 2 over 3. Now there's a little challenge here. How do we simplify this? We remember our law of indices that states that if you have an indices in the form a raised to power minus m over m, it is equals to 1, this minus becomes 1 all over a to the power of what? M over n, which can now give us what? 1 all over the nth root of a raised to power m. So we're going to use this law of indices to simplify this. So x to the power of 1 is x. So we can put our x here is equals to, now this becomes what? 1 over, now minus 8 raised to power what? 2 over 3, following this law, which gives us what? 1 over the cube root, the nth root, so this is our n, the cube root of minus 8 all raised to power m, which is square. Now what's the cube root of minus 8? What number will you multiply 3 times to give you minus 8? You can see it is minus 2. Minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2 will give you what? Minus 8. So the cube root of minus 8 is minus 2. So our x is also equals to 1 over what? Minus 2 squared. So our x is equals to what? 1 over minus 2 squared. Minus 2 times minus 2 will give you plus 4, which is 1 over 4. So that's your final answer.